quiet, everybody, please. Okay.
Is that noise too great?
Oh, that's all right. Go right ahead.
The Union Pacific is taking delivery today of the first new Streamlined train. The ultimate objective of this development is to have a new schedule to the coast from Chicago. There will be trains of 9 or 10 cars running on a schedule of 2 nights and 1 day instead of the present trip of 3 nights and two days. This train will have to be experimented with over all the conditions under which it will eventually have to see actual service. We are therefore not allocating it to one schedule or route at the present time. This experiment will be available to all the railroads of the country, and it is not too much to predict that in time all railroads will have to develop this type of equipment. This will be a real contribution to the recovery program. The Union Pacific is taking delivery today of the first Streamlined train. This is the first step in developing of a high-speed transcontinental train to run from Chicago to the Pacific coast. The present schedule is 3 nights and 2 days. The proposed schedule will be 2 nights and only 1 day. Safety has been the prime consideration in the developing of the design. The center of gravity of the train is closer to the rails. The material used is far stronger for the given weight than the present metal used in ordinary cars.